In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Wix website. If you are new to Wix, the good news is that the process is very straightforward. You build your site visually and you can make changes right away without needing to write code. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the key actions that help you go from a blank site to a website that is ready for visitors. First, if you are using a template, you will want to customize it so it actually matches your brand and your goals. Open your Wix template and take a moment to look at the overall layout. The template gives you a starting point, but it is your job to adjust the structure so it feels like your own site. When you start customizing, focus on the main sections first, such as the homepage header, hero area, and any key content blocks. A template is helpful because it already has a nice design style, but it still needs your personal content to feel complete. Next, customize the layout, text, and images using the drag and drop editor. This is where you will spend most of your time. Click on elements you want to change, such as a heading or an image, and replace them with your own information. For images, choose visuals that support what your site is about and make sure they look clear on both desktop and mobile. As you drag elements into place, watch how Wix automatically aligns things and keeps your design neat. This is important because it saves time and helps the site look professional without a lot of manual adjustment. After you have your basic template look in place, you may want to add extra features. To do that, click Add Elements, which is shown as a plus icon. This allows you to insert new features like buttons, forms, galleries, and other useful components. Think about what you want visitors to do on your site. If you want them to contact you, you can add a button or a form. If you want to highlight services, you can add a structured section. When you add elements, take a moment to position them carefully and then check that the design still looks balanced. Small tweaks like spacing and alignment make a big difference. Once you have added some features, the next step is managing your site pages. Click on the Pages and Menu tab, which is where you can add or remove pages. Pages are the different sections of your website that visitors can navigate to, such as an About page, a Services page, or a Contact page. Take a look at your current page list and decide what you need. If you do not want a page, you can remove it. If you need a new page, you can add it here. After you make changes, also review how your menu is organized so visitors can find what they need without confusion. Now that your site content and structure are coming together, you should review everything before you share it. Click Preview to review your site. Preview mode is essential because it lets you see how your website will look and function for visitors. Check the navigation, read through your text, and verify that buttons and elements behave as expected. Pay attention to both the main layout and the smaller details like spacing, image sizes, and any sections that might look crowded. If you find something that does not look right, go back to the editor and adjust it. Preview is your quality check. When you feel confident that everything looks good, it is time to make your site live. Click Publish to make your website live. Publishing is the final step that makes your Wix website accessible to visitors on the internet. Before you publish, make sure you have the key pages you need, that your images display properly, and that your main calls to action are in place. Once you publish, your work becomes a real live website. And that covers everything you need to know. After you publish, you can continue improving your site over time by revisiting the editor, adding new elements, and refining your pages as your needs evolve. And that is all there is to it.